Hi friends, welcome you all to my channel. Myself Edukanth and we are covering CBSE NCERT syllabus for 10th standard students. So in this series of video, we are covering triangles. So from chapter 6, right, from NCERT book. So NCERT Solutions, class 10, chapter 6. So we have already covered till exercise 6.2 till 8th question, and in this video we are going to see 9th question, right? So the ninth question, this has already been asked in the CBSE 2015 board exam, right? So we have ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel CD, and its diagonals intersect each other at point O, right? So we have to prove that AO upon BO equal to CO upon DO. So that's what we need to prove. So to prove this, we are going to construct a straight line. We are going to construct a straight line, that is EOF, which is parallel to AB as well as CD, right? AB as well as CD. So now we will take this triangle. Okay, now we will take this triangle where EO parallel to DC, where OE parallel DC. Okay, so in the triangle, if there is a parallel line to one side of a triangle, so basic proportionality theorem, according to basic proportionality theorem, if a line is drawn to one side of a parallel to one side of a triangle, then other two sides are divided in the same proportion. So according to the PPT, AE upon ED equal to AO upon CO. Okay, we will keep this as equation 1, and we will move to the next triangle, that is ABD, where OE, right, OE parallel AB. So using basic proportionality theorem, we will have ED, right, ED upon EA equal to OB upon OD upon, right, ED upon EA equal to OD upon OB, right? What we do is we'll take the reciprocal of the term. So by taking reciprocal of the term, we have AE upon ED. Okay, ED upon AE. If you take reciprocal of this term, so this will become AE upon ED. Same way, OD upon OB will become OB upon OD. Okay, we have taken reciprocal of this term. So now we have from equation 1 and 2, we have AE upon ED in common, right? So AE upon ED is common. Therefore, AO upon BO AO upon CO equal to OB upon OD, right? AO upon CO is equal to OB upon CD. So now what we have to prove is AO upon BO, right? So AO upon BO, we have AO, so BO is this side. So what we do, we will do a cross multiplication. So what do we do? AO upon BO. By doing cross multiplication, we have AO upon BO equal to CO. The CO comes here. So CO upon DO. So this is what we need to prove. We have proved. So if you like this video, please do like the video, subscribe to our channel, and we are going to cover the entire NCERT syllabus, so one by one. So complete in this way, the complete solution will give. So please do subscribe, please do comment. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet you on another video.